How to make YouTube channel art. Now first of all I will open the new file here. Now make sure that these basically are your dimensions in order to make YouTube channel art. So I'll click create. So as you can see that it has been opened. Now it depends on what kind of channel it is. Let's say I want to create related to tech. What I'll do is first of all I'll unlock this layer and go to the blending options. So now I'll give it little bit of touch and create gradient overlay. So we can select here what kind of color do we want. I will select this opacity to this much. Now I will basically import some photos here. So I'll go to here and let's say I want to add this picture here. So yeah, the picture, I'll open it. Enter. So as you can see it has been opened here. Now I'll open another picture here in order to blend this. So I will scroll this. Okay, done. Now what I'll do is I will decrease its opacity so that the other thing is visible, and now I will also decrease the fill. So this is what we have done till now. Now if I want to write text, which will definitely we will, so let's say our channel name is about technology, so we will write about, I'll make it bigger. Let's say we will open 148 about, no, 248 about. So I'll basically bold it, about, and now we will write technology. We'll select this and we will change the color of it so that it would be prominent. I'll go here, this is looking good. I'll select. So you can see we have done this until now. Now what I'll do is, in order to make it more permanent, I'll go to the blending option and I will drop shadows here. Let me go down. So as you can see here, shadows have been increasing. So yeah, now it is more prominent. So I will decrease its opacity as well so that we can get the better idea. Let's say do this and increase this to full. You have to tweak the settings according to your picture. So this is working best for my channel. You can do a lot of more adjustments here, like you can add colors and lot of stuff. So this is the basic how you can create this YouTube channel art. So this is how to create YouTube channel art in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.